Hello friends, you can see we design login, homepage, add medicine and add patients. Okay, these four forms are ready. Now it's time to design a checkup form. Okay, so how can we do that? First of all, we need to copy this one and this one with Control C, and then what we have to do? Click on the package name, new JFrame form. Okay, name it as checkup, extended size, type Control V. Okay, extended height also. Okay, and design top from parent. Now you need to select this one and drop it here like that. Okay, little left. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to increase the width also for this one. Okay, adjust it here like that. Little increase the height. Okay, select this panel and reduce its size little bit. Okay, like this one, and extend its size like that. Okay, so now you can see our check menu. Backend design is ready. Now it's time to adjust. Okay, so how can we do that? First of all, we need to delete this one. Okay, and put a combo box here. Extend its size. That's good. Now rename this to uh, patient ID or name. Okay, so we have to display patient ID and name here. Doctor simply select the name from here and ID. Okay, so then he will all the information related to that patients are there. Okay, so we also have to display the patient name and age. And then I need to delete this one, this one. Okay, delete all. And take a text area. So here you have to select this text area and put it here. Okay, Control D, duplicate. Okay, and adjust it like that. And this one, Control Z. Okay, drag and drop it here. Add the text to recommendation. Okay, what are the recommendation by doctor to that particular patient? And doctor will also will be able to add the medicines. Okay, so what we need to do, we simply need to copy this one, Control C, Control V, and I have to put it here. Okay, edit text, select medicine quantity, edit text. So this one is our quantity. Okay, and this one is medicine list. Okay, list. So take this button from here and put it here. Add to medicine list. Okay, okay, and generate bill. So that's all for the checkup menu. So now you can see how this work. Okay, first of all, doctor have to select the patient. Okay, so like any patient name, he will be select from this checkbox, and age is automatically displayed here. Okay, so he have to recommend some medicine to that particular patient, like A, B, C, any medicine. Okay, like take this medicine or any recommendation to that patient. Okay, any disease he have to fill here. Okay, so he also have to recommend some medicine to that patient. Okay, he simply have to select the patient, sorry, medicine ID or name. Okay, will both display here, and then quantity, and add to medicine list. Okay, so that's all for the checkup menu is ready now. So when I open home, you can see this one is ready, this one, and this one. Okay, now it's time to design the reports menu. Okay, so how can we do that? So let me first copy this one, copy it, and now checkup. So we also have to edit text and checkup. Okay, so click on your package name and create new JFrame form, and name it as reports. Okay, click finish. So click it here and press Ctrl V and adjust it to the size of our frame. So now here what I have to do, I have to take a text area for displaying the information. So adjust it to the size of our frame like that. And now what I have to do, I have to take an input field. Okay, text field, put it here. So I also have to take a button, put it here. Okay, so display button like that, and edit text to search result. Okay, so now what I have to do, take a label and put it here, edit text, enter patient ID to show result. Okay, to search. Okay, and edit text to null, little increase its size, properties, select all. Okay, let me check if it work. We select all properties. Okay, 14 bold. Okay, close. So select this one, edit text null. So now you can see our searching reports menu is ready. Reports menu is ready. So select this one, open properties, code, generate resize code and generate center. Okay, close it, play it. Okay, let me first link all the pages. Okay, so from checkup, copy this one and paste it here. Okay, like that. And select design top parent, and in the home page we have to link. Okay, checkup and report. Okay, so how can we do that? Events, click on the panel and then event, mouse clicked, and then checkup which is equal to new of, create an object of checkup class. Okay, and then checkup dot set visible true, and we have to set this, or simply type set visible false. Okay, because we have to set visible false to that particular frame, like the home page. Okay, so now for the reports, event, mouse clicked, and then copy this one, put it here, and then checkup, sorry, reports which is equal to new of reports. Okay, set visible true. So done all. Now run this one and show you if it is working properly or not. So password is 1, login, patient, home, add medicine. Okay, checkup, home, reports, home. Okay, so we also need to open this frame. Okay, so select frame. Okay, you may select from here, frame. You have to select the frame, open properties, code, generate center. Okay, so now it's working for all. So our design is almost ready. In the next video we start implementation. Okay, you can see now one more page is required, so let me create for earnings. Okay, so new JFrame form. Okay, adjust its size like that, and from the home, design, control C, control V, and adjust its size. Okay, like that, little drag and drop it here, reduce the frame size, properties, code. Okay, generate resize and generate center, close. So take a panel, open properties, select the background color. Okay, any color that you want, like this color. Okay, close. Control D to duplicate this one. I change the color. Okay, close. So take a label, put it here, edit text, earnings by Madison, and properties. Select the color to white. Okay, and font size is around 36. Okay, close it. We also have to make it bold. Okay, close it. So reduce the size like that. Okay, also decrease the height little bit. So copy this one, put it here. So put it in the middle of screen like that, middle of frame, and earning by fee. Okay, so here we have to display the earning by fee and earning by medicine. Okay, so put it here, properties, set a text 00. Open properties 24 bold. Okay, okay, here we have to display the earning by fee, so earning by medicines. Copy it and put it here, and this one is for earning by fee. Okay, so we done this one. Okay, that's all. Now it's time to link with home page. Okay, so earnings, mouse clicked. Okay, so we need to create the earning subject. Okay, and then e dot set visible true, false. Okay, so when I type 1, you can see all the menus are working properly and linked. Okay, so in the next video we will start implementation and complete this project. So one more thing is remaining. Copy this one, and in earnings, control V. Okay, one, earnings, and home. Okay, our project design is ready. Now in the next video we will create data structures and linked. Okay, with our front end that I created. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel for more